In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a speaker in Descript. Whether you're an experienced podcaster or a newbie just starting out with audio production, getting your speaker labels correct in Descript can make a significant difference in how you manage and edit your content. First, let's talk about the initial step, which involves importing or transcribing your audio or video. This is crucial because, without a proper transcription, you won't be able to assign speaker labels effectively. So, if you haven't yet transcribed your audio, or if you don't already have a project in Descript with media that's been transcribed, this is where you need to start. Simply upload your file to the Descript platform, and it will handle the transcription for you. Remember, accuracy in transcription will simplify your labeling process, so make sure you choose clear audio when possible. Now, once you can see your transcript, you're ready to introduce speaker labels. At this stage, Descript has transformed your audio into text, appearing conveniently as a script. This is where editing becomes a breeze. To assign a speaker label, you need to find the exact word or phrase in the transcript where the new speaker begins. Here's where the magic happens. Click right at the start of that segment in the script, and then type the @ symbol. Using the @ symbol is an intuitive feature that flags the transition in speakers for you. Once you've typed @ you'll see a menu pop up. Here, you have two valuable options. You can either select an existing speaker's name if they've spoken before and you've labeled it, or you can create a new speaker name by typing it out. When creating a new speaker, it's important to use consistent and clear names, such as first names or even roles like host or guest, if applicable. This will keep your project organized and professional looking, making it easier for you or anyone else who might be working with the content to know who's speaking at any given moment. This functionality not only aids in making your content more understandable, but is also incredibly useful for team collaborations. Once your labels are set, navigating and editing, your audio becomes more straightforward and efficient. Remember, taking the time to label speakers accurately might feel like an extra step, but it truly pays off when it comes to editing and finalizing your project. These labels enhance clarity and ensure that your listeners or viewers have a seamless experience, knowing exactly who's speaking. By following these steps, you're well equipped to manage speaker transitions effectively in Descript. So, dive into your projects, apply these labels, and watch your workflow become more refined and your content even more polished.